You must be 100% at all times ready for opportunities to present themselves to you. So I think it's funny when I hear these people say, oh, that guy was lucky, he was just in the right place at the right time. Listen, guys, if you want to capitalize on opportunities, you have to be ready for those opportunities when those things come up. People that just are there at the right place at the right time, they're not just there. They put themselves there, or they put themselves in situations that makes them available to capitalize or to be around when opportunities start to happen. There's so many people out there that go through life and they say, well, I'm going to start doing that thing when, and it usually is when I get promoted, then I'll start working hard, or then I'll do that extra work, or then I'll start, dressing up or being presentable to myself. When I get, I don't know, married or into committed relationship, then I'll decide to start cleaning up or doing whatever. When I start dating, then I'll go and clean the room and clean the house and whatever it is, comb my hair and hey, I got a date this Friday, so now I'll go get a shave and whatever it is. You must be 100% at all times ready for opportunities to present themselves to you. That means regardless if you're just running up the store to grab a gallon of milk, have a cup of coffee with a friend, or you're going into the boardroom for a business deal, you have to be dressed right. You have to present yourself right. You never know. I can't tell you how many hundreds of thousands of dollars we have generated in net revenue, either from a business or some kind of contract or transaction or whatever that happened just over sort of like a kind of random circumstance or at a random place. Again, you're sitting there grabbing a cup of coffee at Starbucks. All of a sudden, the person you run into somebody, they're having coffee with somebody, and you realize, hey, you can do business with them, and then it's going. If I'm standing in start line of Starbucks and I'm looking crazy and I got, paint all over my shirt and I look like just, like I just got out of, I don't know, mowing lawns or something like that. And I want to talk to somebody about closing their $3 million property. It's probably not going to happen. And so in that case, if I was in there, staying there, nice suit, nice tie, ready to go, and I happen to run into somebody, look like I'm doing things, look like I'm putting in those types of contracts, I'm more likely to get that deal. So I get it. You can't always be ready at all the times, but you want to do your best whenever possible to make yourself presentable and ready to go. You always want to present yourself around other people like you're in a boardroom, like you're in a business deal. I know that's boring. I know that's not necessarily fun. We all just want to chill, relax, hang, cut loose, and that's fine, but just realize you could be hindering your opportunity.